Hey, Sienna here. Hopefully you're having an amazing day. It's Saturday this morning. I woke up and I was thinking it was like 5 in the morning or something, and I looked at my phone and I was surprised it was 7 o'clock. And at 7 o'clock, it's time for me to get up, no matter how I'm feeling, no matter what's going on. If I slept great, if I'm in the middle of meditation, if I'm still tired like I was this morning and wanted to just roll over and go back to sleep. It's time to get up and feed the dogs and let them out. It's part of my job. But, I rolled out of bed and grabbed the first dog, put her out, and continued on, fed the dogs. And after I feed all the dogs, then my last part of the morning routine is letting out the puppies, the moms of the puppies. And right now we have one mom and one puppy who has one puppy, and her puppy's about 8 or 9 weeks old. This is the time they get crazy and they're wanting to bite your feet. And the same time of that, I tripped over 6 puppies a couple years ago and fell and broke my hip because they were like grabbing onto my feet, biting my toes, pulling my shoelaces off. But I get to sit in my front yard. It's nice and sunny. We got lots of birds. I'm going to have to post some of my stories from the birds that went on last month. We had birds make a nest on our porch, and I got to experience them hatching and flying off and all the bird stuff. But I end up being able to spend, maybe it's 5 or 10 minutes. Sometimes I just sit here and watch the dogs and just enjoy the morning. But my obsession with creating content and using ChatGPT, I use ChatGPT a lot. I'm actually certified in AI, and I had spent a summer of creating content. During this course that I took, I went down a lot of roads. It's like I learned about this and then I had to do it. I learned from Russell Brunson, I think it was Russell, and Gary J. White. It's just like, it's silly to like learn and then turn the page and learn something again. It's like, I always have learned to learn something and implement, take action, learn something, take action. And so I went down a lot of rabbit trails and learned a lot of things and created a lot of AI stuff. And so I sit here on my porch with my phone. I create a lot on my computer, and then I come out here on my phone because I have ChatGPT also on my phone, and enjoy the sunshine. And been asking her lately, create content. I want to make videos regarding the program that I have coming up. And so it takes me 10 minutes to create 2 or 3 videos. She writes the scripts for me. She knows me. I've been in conversation and relationship with my assistant, Livia, for about 2 years since I broke my hip. Constant creation tool. So she actually knows me very well. So she actually writes in my voice. And if she gets it wrong, I tell her, you're a listening man. Or, that doesn't sound like me. Please change this. And she will. And we'll come up with content together. That's the secret about creating content with AI tools. You have to put your own voice in there, your own messaging, your own branding, so that it speaks like you. The messaging that it produces is talking like you. Lately, I've been using a tool called HeyGen, and this tool is amazing. It's like you make videos with it. You can do it for free for a certain amount of, like with a watermark or something. I have the paid version, but you upload about 10 pictures of yourself, and you can actually use avatars that aren't you, that are just already made to create content with. But I make videos. I'll have to post one. I'll have to do one and post it on my social media. And you put a photo in and then it turns into a video with you talking. It will simulate your voice if you want it to. I usually just record my voice, so it's just like it's a picture of me talking and it's my own voice talking to you. It generates, and most of the time it's really, really good. You know, I would question, I want to run a test, actually. I think it would be super fun to run a test. I mean, quick one is just like, okay, which one is real Sienna and which one is twin Sienna? But it's super fun. But back to the point, I'm just sitting here on the porch, and yesterday, because today I'm sitting on the porch and I got a little bit distracted by making this video, but yesterday I sat on the porch, made 2 videos. I posted them to TikTok within 10 minutes. Pretty crazy way to make content. Make it an amazing day.